Okay, we're starting back with number 5. Number 5 is just a two-step equation, but it does have a decimal, but you guys will have a calculator, so no need to freak. 2.4x plus 2.6 equals 17. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 2.6. So if I subtract 2.6, I should be able to tell that that is going to be 14.4, but just in case you can't, again, you'll have a calculator. So it leaves you with 2.4x equals 14.4. Divide by 2.4. Divide by 2.4. That means x is equal to, should be about 7. Is that right? Yes, it is 7. And that answer is D. Okay. On number 6, same thing. You have 5.8x. Minus 1.4 equals 16. And if you notice, I did several, or at least 2 of the same kind of problem. That way you guys could get more practice. So I'm sorry the review was kind of long, but that was just to help you out. So add 1.4, so plus 1.4. That means you have 5.8x equals 17.4. And I don't offhand know what that is. So I'm going to take my calculator, nothing major, and say 17.4 divided by 5.8, and it is 3. So x equals 3, and that answer is A. All right, let's look at number 7. Ooh, literal equations, your favorite. And I will tell you the one on the EOC is tricky, so I would save it and go back to it till last. But here's one you have. It says we're going to solve this for x. So we're going to solve for x. So that's important that you pay attention to what you're solving for, because that's what you need to isolate. And your problem is q minus r equals q plus wx. So the first thing I need to do is get the stuff that's not hooked to the variable away from it, because I'm trying to solve for q over there. So I'm going to subtract q from here, and those disappear. Well, the same thing's going to happen here, because q minus q. So that leaves me with a negative r equals wx. And again, since those are being multiplied because they're stuck together, you're going to do the opposite operation. So you're going to divide by w. So divide by w. So that means x equals negative r over w, which is answer A. We've had a lot of A's so far. Okay. All right, let's look at number 8. Number 8 is a proportion. We have x minus 8 over 5 equals 2 over 4. Remember back in 5th grade when you were taught the butterfly method? That's the same thing. You're just doing it with algebraic stuff. So you have 4 times x minus 8, and that's going to be equal to 5 times 2, which is 10. So I have that 4x because I'm going to distribute. 4x minus 32 equals 10. I'm going to add 32, add 32. That means 4x equals 42. Divide by 4, divide by 4. That means x equals 42 over 4, but I should be able to see that that reduces to 21 over 2. And so that means that your answer is C.